Hi, Unbox Noah here. Here we have Rammstein, Zeit, the new CD. It's embossed, runs down the spine, debossed, and the tracks also debossed. So let's take a look inside. This is a special edition CD. There we go. That's the cover. Zeit on the spine. The track list. Okay. There's the CD. And there's a book inside. Lots of pages. Don't know if it's lyrics. There's track lists. Looks like there are no lyrics. Images of the band. That's all there is. Pushing a Trabi. Yeah, there's images of the band and track list and so on. Production notes. Yeah. So there it is. That's the new CD from Rammstein. Check it out. Okay, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with more later. So see you then. Bye.